Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make pineapple upside down cake. Yes, so these are all of my ingredients that I'm gonna use. Here I have just over half cup of soft brown sugar, some self-raising flour, and that's at least 4 cups, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and half teaspoon of nutmeg. And that's my pineapple there, and I'm using 1 can. You can always use fresh pineapple, some cherries, 3 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 cup of butter, and at least quarter cup, just over quarter cup of granulated sugar. Guys, don't forget to share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Also give me a thumbs up, okay? Thank you all so much. Stay tuned. This recipe right here is gonna be super delicious. I love pineapple upside down cake. I make it, this is gonna be my second time making it, and I really enjoy it so much. It is so easy, guys. Super easy. So guys, I'm gonna start off by making the bottom layer for my pineapple upside down cake. So now I'm just gonna add my brown sugar to my bowl right here. Yeah, just leave a little bit. If I need any more, I just add it, okay? So now guys, you want to make sure that your butter is at room temperature, and I'm just gonna add my butter now to my sugar. You want to mix it so everything will all combine, okay? Make sure that it is all combined. And guys, you can always use a hand mixture, okay? I'm just gonna use a fork. So this is exactly what you want. You want it to be nice and smooth. Guys, I end up adding some more of my soft brown sugar onto my mixture, because I'm gonna make a bigger size pineapple upside down cake, okay? So I add at least just over quarter cup more of my sugar. Yes. And some more butter also. Maybe around 2 tablespoons of my butter. But don't worry guys, I will list everything below. Okay? Everything will be in the description, and how much I use and exact how much. Here I have my baking pan right here, and I'm just gonna add my mixture to it. And this is a 10-inch, okay? If you have a 8-inch, that's perfectly fine. You can always use it. And now I'm just gonna spread it all out. And as I said guys, if you have a smaller baking pan, you can always use a small one. It doesn't really matter, okay? Now I'm gonna add my pineapple. You wanna just add them just like so. So now in this circle, I'm gonna add my cherries. And you can add as much as you like. So guys, this is all finished. So now I'm just gonna take it and put it to the side, okay? To my flour mixture, I'm just gonna add my salt and my cinnamon powder, and I'm also gonna add my nutmeg. I'm gonna grate it because I have the old one. Gonna mix it so everything will all combine. To my bowl here, I'm gonna add at least half cup of butter, room temperature, And you want to add unsalted butter, okay? Then I'm gonna add my granulated sugar, and that's half cup also. I'm gonna give it a stir. So this is how you want it. So now I'm gonna add my eggs. Guys, in my can that I use for my pineapple, there's some juice leave over, and I'm just gonna add my pineapple juice from the can, as I said. It's gonna make your cake be so delicious. It's gonna taste so pineapple. And now guys, I'm gonna add my flour mixture. You wanna take your time. And you want to gradually mix it, okay? I'm gonna also add my vanilla. So guys, this is what you want it to be. Make sure there is no lump. You want it to be nice and smooth, okay? Yeah. That's done. So now guys, I'm gonna add my butter. You want to just add it just like so. I also butter on the top part right here of my baking pan. Yeah. So it doesn't stick. And I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 40 minutes and 180 Celsius. So guys, my pineapple upside down cake is all finished and it's been baking for just over 40 minutes, okay? I'm gonna add a toothpick, and once it come out dry, you know say it ready, right? So as you can see, it comes out dry, so it is all ready. Guys, I'm telling you, it looking so good. Super delicious. So now guys, I'm gonna flip it over. Make sure you allow it to cool for at least 15 minutes, okay? And you mark, get set, go. Just take your time guys and remove it. Honestly guys, it came out perfect. It looking super delicious. It tastes so good. My children enjoyed so much. Guys, if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. Don't forget to share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget also to give me a big thumbs up, okay? Thank you all so much. This recipe right here is a must try. So guys, there I have my plate. So now I'm just gonna cut into my pineapple upside down cake and tell you guys what it's like. Okay, yes, as you can see, it cut nicely and smooth, and that's exactly what you want. So this is the fun part. Now I'm gonna taste some of my pineapple upside down cake for you all. And guys, it tastes absolutely delicious. The flavor is everything. I'm telling you, it is so nice and so flavorful. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. And guys, don't forget, if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.